So this wheeled and well armed, we're looking at two good flashlights. These are by ThruNite, and they're the actual Black Scout Survival. So this one has a really sharp strike bezel, and it comes off. If you want to take it through TSA, you just take that off. There's also a red lens adapter. It looks multicolored. When you put it on, you can see it's red. What's nice about this light is it remembers the last setting you had it on. So if you had it on bright, it'll come back on bright every time. And the tail cap is real quick, but you could just spot it. So you could have this on Firefly and this would always come on the brightest. Pretty much the same with this. It doesn't have a tail cap. This is magnetic, so you can stick it up on a car and point it wherever you want. This is, I've been carrying this for about 2 months now. Shows zero wear, but it does have a hat clip or pocket clip. So anyway, two very versatile. Both of them are chargeable. Right here with a USB, you don't have to take the battery out or anything. Same with this one, it's chargeable. So it's a good, affordable alternative to Olight. This one is right now on Amazon for $52, and I forgot the price on this one, but it's very affordable. I think it's 20 something. Anyway, this wheeled and well armed. Have a great day and be prepared.